I'm as real as I can be. When I say you set me free, give me strength, keep holding me. You let me be, oh, you let me be.
Wir durchquerten den Harz Richtung Osten zur Stadt Quedlinburg, um anschließend nach einer Wende Richtung Süden wieder im Harz mitten in einem kaputten Wald zu landen.
Sense. It was worth the wait. I'm laying it all in your hands. I found home at last.
I'm as real as I can be when I say you set me free.
Give me strength, keep holding me. You let me be.
Bekannt ist der Ort Rübeland für das weit verzweigte Höhlensystem. In der Hermannshöhle leben die einzigen Grottenolme Deutschlands.
No diggity, no doubt. Sure to get down, good Lord. Baby got 'em open up all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much of ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get it out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, and it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, she's got the habit. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I gotta bag it up, babe. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it. Forever on my case, you never back down. Don't you forget, babe, what goes around comes around. 'Cause I'm a wild one. Oh, I'm a wild one. You clearly overestimate the impact you have on my fate. I'm gonna put you on the spot. The clock is ticking, time is up. I put it in your face. You'll never win this race. Travel through time and space and put it in your face. I put it in your face. I put it in your face. You'll never win this race. Travel through time and space and put it in your face. I put it in your face. I put it in your face. It's the infamous duo making euros, putting up a grand show. We don't take shit, we're making hits. Bitch, don't kill our flow. If I'm going hard on ya, let me say I perdona. Let's sit down on the beach and just sip a Corona. I'm sure we can work things out. Gosh, I know we both proud. Time to swallow it and holler for our minds to come round. Navigating through bad weather, we are better together. Let's shake hands, understand, girl, it's now or never. I put it in your face. You'll never win this race.
Auf der vorherigen Etappe erschütterten uns die sterbenden Wälder. Bei dieser kam der ungezügelte motorisierte Urlaubs- und Ausflugsverkehr hinzu. Die Blechlawine verfolgte uns bis in die abgelegensten Winkel im Tal der Bude.
Denn nichts kann mich mehr halten, kann die Zukunft neu gestalten, ich bin frei. Scheißegal, was da kommt, trivial und kunterbunt. Ich freue mich auf jeden neuen Tag. Ich spür die Sonne auf der Haut, schließ die Augen und rufe laut, ich bin da. Und es gibt kein Zurück, es gibt kein Zurück. Es geht einfach immer weiter geradeaus. Nein, es gibt kein Zurück, es gibt kein Zurück. Und die Angst ist mein Begleiter, doch ich sperr sie einfach raus. Es gibt kein Zurück. Adrenalin in meinem Blut und die Freiheit tut so gut. Und es gibt einfach kein Zurück. Ich steh wieder mal vor der Wahl, eine Richtung einzuschlagen. Und jeder Weg führt weiter geradeaus. Denn wir haben nur das eine Leben, um die Chance nicht zu vergeben. Also mach was draus. Und mit unseren roten Fäden sind wir allesamt am Weben, zeichnen unser Leben in das große Netz. Und selbst wenn wir stehen bleiben, sind wir am Geschichte schreiben, hier und jetzt.
When we first met, I was in a place of blissful ignorance. Reached out your hand, asked me if I would take a chance with you. You made me let down my guard. I gave it and fell so hard. I wanna know why, but you don't answer me. You are deaf to my misery. It ain't about something I did. It ain't about looks and that shit. It's all about you. You gotta be stronger than this. Gotta forget how we kissed. Gotta stay true. It's all just about you. About you. About you. And ain't nobody cares like I do about you. Took me quite some time to stop crying and get well inside. Though I'm better now, I still feel like recovering from you. I still have questions, you know. Why did you put on a show? It still hurts. Oh, it's all just about you. About you. About you. It's all about you. And ain't nobody cares like I do about you. It's all about you. It's all just about you. About you.
Die Altstadt von Quedlinburg gehört mit mehr als 2100 Fachwerkhäusern aus 8 Jahrhunderten zum UNESCO-Weltkulturerbe.
to take all my sorrows, turn them into dust. You asked me to follow, to forget the past. It all seems so crystal clear. You see beyond my face, all the blue notes that I hear are shattered into space. I'm as real as I can be when I say you set me free. Give me strength, keep holding me. You let me be, you let me be. You're not trying to change me, take me as I am. Though I'm hard to handle, you clearly have a plan. Put my restless mind to sleep, listen to my breath. You seem to just know what I need, cleaning up my mess. I'm as real as I can be when I say you set me free. Give me strength, keep holding me. You let me be, oh, you let me be. I woke and I saw that you weren't here to stay. I could see that you've been lying, I could see that in your crooked smile. I wasted all my time and you pretended we were fine. How could I fall so easily? Thought by now I'd be the one to see. You turn your back on me, you never meant to be with me. So long, so long, I thought we had it all. How could I be so wrong? So long, your love is just skin deep. Your love is just skin deep. Should have seen it coming. After all, that's all I know. It's a common habit. You always come and then you go.
Neuton lautet der Name des Düsseldorfer Duos, deren Musik ihr gerade hört. Ihr Album Hashtag hat David Roperts gemischt, ein Künstler und Freund aus unserem Zukunftsbilder-Team.
What was coming next? You made my life a mess. You're taking much, you give it less.